Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, yeah?
Just a bit.
Okay, that one.
Simultaneous
Simultaneous equation, folks, we're looking at type 2 now. Type 2, why do we call this type 2? We'll see in a second. To solve a simultaneous equation, we need to look at the coefficients of x and y. If the coefficients are equal, then we minus the equations to eliminate. If they're opposite, then we add. Okay? So now let's look at the coefficients of x. Coefficients of x. Hamza, what are they? Can you read them out to me, please? Plus 2 and plus 3, are they opposite? No. Are they equal? No. Right, let's have a look now at the coefficients of y. We have plus 2 and plus 1. Okay. Plus 2 and plus 1. Are they opposite? Are they equal? So actually none of them help us in this particular instance. So we have a special rule. If the equations are not opposite, or in this case should be the coefficients. Okay, let's change that to coefficients. If the coefficients are not opposite or equal, then make them opposite or equal. Okay? Either opposite or equal. So we have to now look at the 3 and the 2 and look at the 2 and the 1. Can I make the 2 into a 3? 3 into a 2? No. Can I make my 1 into a 2? Yes, by multiplying by 2. So that will be the least amount of work we can do is by multiplying this bottom equation by 2, and that will help us to eliminate the y's. Help us. So let's do that now. Okay. Let's copy out the top equation. So the top equation stays the same, the bottom equation gets doubled. So, Najma, 2x becomes 4x. And 1y becomes, Najma? 2y. Okay. So, Saf, what have we done here? We looked at the bottom equation, we multiplied everything by 2. 2 times by 2 is 4. 1 times by 2 is 2. 7 times by 2 is 14. So now the question has gone from being from type 1 to type 2. So I said type 2 to type 1. We just changed it into the easier one. Now that we know the coefficients are the same, now that we know that these coefficients are the same, you minus them. And that we already learned in the previous videos. So that's as far as I want to take you in this video, because the rest of it is the same as part 1. Okay? So all we need to do now is to minus them. So we substitute the value back into one equation and work out the answer. So this is the only extra step in this type of question. You have to multiply one of the equations by 2 in this instance. Okay? The rest of it is the same as part 1. Alright? You happy with that? Okay, we'll finish this one off for completeness, but the other ones we'll just do some more of these multiplying and doubling. Okay? Let's have a look. So we have plus 2 and plus 2, we minus them. Okay, Mr. Zishan. 3x take away 4x. Now, one quick thing. We've got a minus there. Normally when you minus, we normally go down. In simultaneous equations, you can also go up. But you must keep one direction. Let's try it on this particular question. So watch what I do now. So we have now, we are going to do direction. So we have 4x minus 3x is equal to, Zishan? X. 2y minus 2y is equal to 0y. And we have 14 minus 12, that will give us 2. So we can take away upwards as well. Okay? But you got to keep one direction, you can't go up and down. Alright? Yeah? So x is equal to 2. You got to put this back into the second equation, for example. What is the second equation? 2x plus y is equal to 7. So x equals 2 goes into there. So we got 2 times by 2 add y is equal to 7. So 2 times by 2 will give us, I don't all shout at once, 4 add y is equal to 7. Okay, now 4 add a number is 7. So if that will be, y will be equal to y is equal to 3, mashallah, thank you. Okay, right, so we finish that one, x equals 2, y equals 3. So we had a little bit of intervention. We had to double the bottom equation to make the y's equal. They weren't equal, we made them equal. Okay, thank you very much, please folks. Please join us back in the next video where we're going to be multiplying top and bottom.